Alright, you guys, so this is the new project. It's a 1994 Acura Integra LS. As you can see, it's just a shell. Needs lots of work. And this is the engine bay. This is going to be a fun project. So the previous owner already started dismantling everything. He started shaving the engine bay. He started removing all the seam sealer and putting Bondo on it, so I'm gonna have to go through that over on both sides. So we're gonna have to do body work, paint the bay. I'm probably gonna delete the ABS, and we're probably gonna do a wire tuck on it. It's a lot of stuff missing. Here's the other side of the car. It's not too bad. It is pretty beat. Need door handles. Got a cracked sunroof. The hood got hood pins in it, so we're gonna have to replace the hood. Super dirty. And onto the rear, we got a broken taillight. It's not that bad. On the inside, yeah, we got to clean this out. We got all the parts inside. I'm not sure what's in here. This is an automatic chassis, so that's good. We're gonna have to do a manual conversion as well. I believe it got GSR front seats, so that's a plus. In the back, we have the regular LS seats and all the interior shit. This car been sitting, I believe, for like 4 years. So there's like all sorts of shit in here. Let's see what's in the trunk. Oh God. Looks like we got the radiator, the AC condenser. The engine harness is back here. Not too shabby. Trunk doesn't close. Gotta slam it. I did notice this taillight is pushed in a little bit. Probably gonna have to kick it out. Is it the taillight, or the taillight might be broken? But you see that side is further sticking out. This side is a little pushed in a little bit. But probably could kick that out. Yeah, it's pretty nasty in here. Before we get it in the garage, we're gonna need to clean all this shit out. Door panel is a little cracked right there. Needs a really good clean. It's mad dusty in here. Disgusting. Broken vents. I just pressure washed the car. Look like we have a little leak going on the sunroof. Oh my God. Yeah. So definitely need to replace the sunroof. I do have one at the shop. Before I bought this car, I did have a shell. I bought a 99 Integra shell that I was gonna build, but that one was too rusty, so I ended up getting this. So I do have some extra parts at the shop. I'm gonna need to find one of these plastic trims. Glove box is broke. Just the other panel. Yeah, there's all types of stuff in here. So let me go ahead and get all this stuff out, see what we can find, and clean it up a bit so we can get it in the garage. Let's see, 215,000 miles on the chassis. I think, let me check the dash, make sure this is the correct dash, or make sure this is the correct dash. I don't know if he swapped the interior out for black, because I think this car comes with tan interior, maybe. I'm not quite sure. Actually, the more I look at it, it has mold, so probably gonna pull the whole interior out and gut it, and probably pressure wash all this nasty stuff. Yeah, everything's coming out. Yeah, so everything's gonna have to come out in this interior, but first I'm gonna collect what parts we got inside, vacuum it, and then pull the interior out and try to clean it up and go from there. It's gonna be a nice project build for the channel. And if you guys are excited to see this build, hit that thumbs up. Let's see what we got in store for it. Also, you guys, we have no front end, but the front end seems to be straight. So don't know if we're gonna stay 94 to 97 front end, or I'm gonna do the 2000 front end conversion on this. But if I could source a JDM front end for cheap, then I'm gonna do that, but I highly doubt it. But yeah, pretty much this engine bay. This engine bay is probably gonna be the first thing we tackle. Alright, you guys, got the Integra in the garage, cleaned up pretty good. What's the trunk? Carpet's still clean. Got most of the dirt that was caked on the interior off. Probably gonna have to go through it one more time. But that's the back. The panels. Not too shabby. You guys can't see that, but got it pretty clean. And here's everything that was in the car. Got a radiator, AC condenser, a bunch of plastic stuff and interior pieces that I need to go through. I'm gonna clean all that up, get all that nasty mold off of it. So yeah, new car's in the garage. Now we could get some work done to it. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for this episode. I am in a dilemma. I want a K-swap one of these cars, but I don't know if I should do it on my second gen or do it on this one. I know it's going to be a lot cheaper and a little bit easier to do on this car versus that one, but I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm honestly indecisive. It would be badass if I K-swapped the second gen instead of this one. My initial plans was to take the swap out my Integra, and put it in this car, and I don't know, maybe turbo in this one, or just go ahead and leave that and turbo that one. Put a K in here, and put the K swap in this one. So if you guys are interested in this build and want to stay tuned, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.